We don't have an idea problem. We have this problem. Which idea should I do and how? In this AI era, you have so many ideas, and in this video, I'm going to break down how to narrow down those ideas with a certain format, and I'm going to show you a new AI video agent that is going to turn your ideas into full-blown videos for social media and more. First, let's narrow down these ideas. To do this, let's go over the 3 C's. First one is clarity. If you can't break down this idea in one sentence, it's not ready. The second C is connection. Does it solve a pain, answer a question, or does it reflect deeply on how you feel? The third one is convertibility. Can you turn this into a visual, story, or a conversation? And this is where HeyGen's video agent comes in. Let me go share my screen now. So what you see now is inside of HeyGen. So what we're going to do is hit create and go to video agent. So we're going to test out 2 ideas, one that's a talking head video and one that is a faceless video. So as you see, I put in my prompt, my idea is from video to idea with AI. And so I tell it exactly what it is, how long I want the video, and I break it down scene by scene. And to keep it all the way AI, I'm going to use my digital twin that I created inside of HeyGen. I have my own clone AI avatar. And if you don't know how to create one of those, I'll link it upside here so you can go see that video first. So when I enter the prompt, it verifies everything, and let's see how the video came out. Do you have a content idea, but feel stuck on how to bring that particular idea to life effectively? Many creators often wonder how to transform a simple concept into a compelling video for their audience. AI streamlines the entire video creation process from the initial concept all the way to the final product. Start with ChatGPT to brainstorm engaging hooks, detailed outlines, and fresh ideas that capture attention. It acts as your digital co-writer, carefully refining your thoughts and providing structured content. Once your script is polished and ready, simply drop that content directly into HeyGen platform. This AI platform transforms your written idea into a video with compelling visuals for your needs. It handles voiceovers and scene generation, making video production accessible to absolutely everyone today. Now you saw I didn't record any of that. I gave it a script, picked my avatar that has my same background, and it created a talking head video. Now for the most part, I rock with the video. There are some tweaks that I would probably do, and I can actually make those changes inside of the chat of the video agent, or I could just download it and make the tweaks myself. It would probably take me longer to record it and edit than just make some final tweaks off of what AI did. Now let's try some faceless content. So to create our faceless video, we're gonna hit create and go to video agent, or since video agent is on the home page, I could just paste in my prompt right here. Once again, it tells it create a faceless cinematic video called When the Idea Hits. I break down the scenes, call to action, and then we're just gonna hit enter. Same process, I'm just gonna verify that everything looks good, and let's see what it came up with. It always starts the same, a flicker of an idea, a spark of inspiration. It's the genesis of something new, a beginning point. You write it down quickly before it vanishes like a dream. Capture the essence, hold on to it tight, remember it. AI helps you bring it to life, transforming thoughts into reality. It's a powerful tool to use. You don't need more tools cluttering your workspace. You need more flow, a seamless connection to create things. Create, breathe, build, repeat. This is the rhythm of innovation, the cycle of creation and growth. Now be honest, 1 to 10, what do you think about this? Remember, we took just a random idea and turned it into a video without recording anything, and that was my voice. Now, our ideas will not only live inside of our notebooks. Our ideas will come to life in our social media feeds, our emails, private communities, and even more. Now, links to HeyGen is going to be in my description, and if you have not created a digital avatar of yourself, a digital clone, I got this video right here for you.